What's up, guys? Today we are trying to make something we've never made before. It's a maritime specialty, Halifax, Nova Scotia. We're gonna do a vegan version of it, Donairs. Alright, I picked this up today. This is vegan kebab donair meat. Okay, so we'll check that out, see if it's any good. Hi, Cheryl.
Hello.
Cheryl's making our sweet, tangy donair sauce. So she's got some coconut milk in there, some chickpeas, garlic, salt. She's gonna boil that up. We're gonna add a few more things to that and see how it goes. We're gonna cut up some tomatoes to go in there. We're gonna have the onions as well. We got a little bit of lettuce. I don't know if people usually put lettuce in donairs or not, so that's we might try it. I don't know if we should or not. Let me know. What do you think? Does lettuce go in donairs? And we've got our basically like a pita wrap type of thing. These ones, these are dairy free. Okay, so here we have our donair meat. It's our vegan donair meat. We've got some nice fresh tomatoes from Sicily. Man, they're so good here. So much taste, so much flavor. And under all that, we've got the onions and a little bit more garlic. A lot of garlic in the sauce, some more garlic here. Okay, so cane sugar, coconut milk, salt, chickpeas, garlic, a lot of garlic.
Yeah, it actually
Likes
called
the
for
garlic.
white beans. But
White beans, okay, good.
So
So you're boiling it up now. So you blended it, and now we're boiling it up. So this is gonna be that really nice, sweet, tangy donair sauce that we love back home in the Maritimes. Sherry's gonna try it. Not bad. So these are the breads we're using. So the donair meat, the onions, the garlic, the tomato, it's all gonna go inside of these with the sauce on top. Okay guys, see you in a couple minutes. I just tried the meat and it tastes really good. It's a little bit chewy, but it tastes quite a lot like donair meat back in Canada, back in the Maritimes. So that's surprisingly good. Just tried the vegan donair sauce, and to me it tastes just like donair sauce back home. Okay, I think we're just about ready to eat. It was pretty quick cooking it up. I think you can actually eat this meat raw. We cooked it up for about 5 minutes with the onion. We've got the bread coming out now. Cheryl's all set. You all set, Cheryl?
Yes.
Let's dish it up. Let's do it. All right, so we're ready. It's cooked. The bread's ready. Tomatoes on standby. There we go. So I'm not gonna overdo it. Just gonna put a little bit of these on here to start. Okay. There's number one. Here's donair number two. So we'll probably make about 4 donairs out of this, I'd say. Okay, there's tomatoes for Cheryl. Say the onion is mixed in. Onion and garlic is mixed into that. More there. Okay, and Cheryl, do you want a little bit of lettuce? Are you okay?
Yeah, I think I'll try my lettuce.
Okay, a little bit of lettuce. This might not be in a traditional donair. We're not sure. I can't remember if I ever had it. It's usually just the meat, the onion and garlic, and the sauce on top. Okay, so just a little bit of. You say when there, Cheryl. I'll make this one yours, huh?
Okay.
Okay, you're good to go. I'll take just a little bit for myself. Okay, that's good like that for me. Okay. Now we're gonna put on the sauce.
Looks good.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, here we go.
Looks good.
Old-fashioned maritime donairs, vegan style in Italy. Oh yeah, vegan donairs for dinner. Looks good. Okay,
Looks really good.
let's eat. Let's try it. See if it's any good. A little bit of pepper on top of that right there. Looks pretty good. All right, so I've only had 1 or 2 bites of this. Tastes just like a donair back home. It's really, really good.
Yeah.
So the bread's a little bit crispy, so maybe cook it a little bit less next time. We only cooked it for a couple minutes, but it's really good.